Hey everyone, Duke3D here with another unboxing video, and this one is another package from that same kind seller who sold me the Type 64B mask a while back, and he was kind enough to send me some fan mail, which, again, much appreciated. I've actually got two packages coming. This is the first of just a couple, and why don't we just go right into it? Again, I'm not going to distinguish who this guy is just because he's sold a lot of stuff that's actually not particularly allowed outside of China due to reasons, I guess. But anyhow, let's get right into it. And again, thank you for this. This is very exciting. And I totally wasn't expecting anything anything like this. This was totally out of the blue. But anyhow, getting that open. First off, we have this box. That's a bubble wrap again. Screw it. Get the knife out again. And in here, give me one moment. Let me pull this off camera. Give me one moment here. A bit tricky. Trying to get the bubble wrap off before I open the box. See if there's any markings on the box. The box is already opening itself. There does not appear to be any markings on the box, but what we have a set of particulate filters here and a clone of a 3M Model 6800 mask, but except with a 40mm port in the center. I'll be sure to do a more in-depth review of this later. Nothing else inside the box. And what else do we have? Oh, got a lot of stuff actually. We have a couple very peculiar but much appreciated. I wasn't expecting these actually. A set of bayonet to 40mm adapters. I'll be sure to feature these in the review, see how they stack up to actual licensed 3M adapters, and see if those will fit on there. We have a couple. Yeah, here's the other one, I think. Not just the one, I guess. Have this nice anti-fogging pencil. Which is very interesting because it's remnant. Actually, no, it's not even a pencil. This has got a fluid inside of it. Very interesting. I was expecting it to be like one of those Soviet anti-fogging pencils. So thank you for that. That's actually interesting. That was not what I was expecting at all in terms of that. And then here, let me cut the tape on this. Okay, this is different. He said he was sending me one of these smaller carriers here, but this actually feels like it has something inside of it, so what the hell is going on here? Oh shit. Holy shit, I wasn't expecting this. What we have here, no, I legitimately was not expecting him to send anything in this carrier. I thought he was just sending the carrier itself, but what we have is a Type 69 mask, and in unissued mint condition. Holy fuck. Holy goddamn thanks, man. And size 3, my size. I'll be sure to do an in-depth review on this as well. This is nice. Is there anything else in here? It's got the anti-fogging inserts. And actually, just the anti-fog. Yeah, it's got the spare voice membrane and anti-fog inserts. And yeah, I'll be sure to do a review on this as soon as possible. Holy fuck, thanks, man. That's everything that I got so far. So be sure reviews on these things sometime soon. And I've got another package from him coming sometime later this month or maybe early next month, so again, be on the lookout. Thank you again. I can't thank you enough for all this stuff, especially all for free. Like, Jesus, man, this is way more than I was expecting. But anyhow, that's about it. If you have any comments, questions, corrections, or concerns, drop them in the comments below. I'm Duke3D, and I will see you all later.